and Sanjay is helping me in chopping like always, and this is his favorite dish, right Sanjay? Good afternoon guys, another week, actually another month, another vlog, and it is Thursday today. We are at lunch break. Usually after lunch we always walk, but it's been more than a month we didn't walk because it was cold. But today the weather is nice, so we decided to walk. And the temperature today is -5. However, it was extremely cold last week and week before. So anyways, we're gonna walk here for 10 to 15 minutes and then we're gonna go back to our office. It's snowing. Time is 3:35. Look at this weather guys. It's 0 degree today. We are heading out for a long walk. So we are going to do at least 10,000 steps, right Sanjay? The seeds of Karelas, and I'm gonna cook it as well because I love Karela seeds. And now I'm gonna fry this. And Sanjay is helping me in chopping of vegetables.
कोई बंद सही कौन थी
It is time to take them out. And Sanjay is helping me in chopping like always, and this is his favorite dish, right Sanjay? I'm not too sure how it is going to turn out because first time it didn't turn out that great. You know, practice makes a person perfect. This is my second time. I'm going to try this vegetable. Let's see how does it turn out today because I'm going to try a different recipe. These are my vegetables which are super ready. And this is how my stuffing looks. Perfect. And we are going to use this blue ring to tie these vegetables after stuffing. Our ghee is ready. Now I'm just gonna add one by one. Bhindis. Medium, like low flame. It doesn't look that great, but guys, trust me, it is super yum.